All right, so let me help you with one of the most annoying parts for Slovenian fiscalization, which is setting up the units, devices, registration codes, etc. for in order that Slovenian fiscalization will work for your system through DD invoices. So by now you should already have a certificate downloaded and received from the eDauki. And what I've done already is that I have inserted it here, as well as inserted the certificate password. Now the second part which you need to do is this one. Essentially register the business unit, device operator code, and the device registration code. A business unit is your business space, your premičnina or nepremičnina, essentially the registered address from which you want to be fiscalizing. Device operator code is the specific person which will be fiscalizing, and a device registration, device operator code and device registration code is simply a device code. This is a person. This is the actual device. And to make matters really simple, we will do it like this. The unit is going to be prostor. We're going to just insert P1. The device operator code is going to be the tax number, a physical person's tax number that will be fiscalizing. In this case, if you're the business owner, that will most likely be you. And device registration code will be D1 as device. Of course, you also can have multiple devices. You can have multiple spaces, so P2 and device 2, etc., etc. And then you have to know which device operator is operating a specific device and specific space. So this is now in our system, and you can simply click here save, but this is not yet connected with the government portal. So click on this one, and you'll come here, and then click on the right section here, which will log you into the portal for that. And as you can see, I've already made sure I've already set up the whole system, but I'll just want to go through it one more time. So you upload here your certificate and the password, and you click save, and the certificate should be saved in here. You register a business unit, and as you can see, is marked with P1. This is a bit of an annoying system, so let me help you with this one as well. So as you saw, we have to enter here P1. We have to enter the beginning date, which is the date that you have registered your business. And then you decide, is the business unit a movable object or immovable object? Most likely it's immovable object, and this leads you to a couple of new things that you need to fulfill in, which is a bunch of details about the immovable object. So this is found on this link. I can't enter it here. On this link, ep.eprostor.government.si, where you'll find the address of all of those things that you then need to insert as here, blah, 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 and to ensure that all this is correct. Once you have all of that, you now have this one saved in here. Moving on to register a device. And as you saw, we're just going to enter D1, device 1. One operator, insert the text number here, the name, surname, yes, and the text number again. And this one, you can simply say, are you tax obligated for VAT? Yes or no. Click save, and that's pretty much it. Once you have all of that, you come back in here, and because we have a P1 unit, we have a D1 device, and we have the device operator code. Through these three systems, these three codes, the systems are connected. We already clicked save, and you have finished the setup part for the tax authority for fiscalization in Slovenia.